Let me show you how to use the Pro mode on a Motorola Edge 70. So in order to find the Pro mode, we just have to open the camera, and then over here in these camera modes, you should be able to find Pro. As you can see, at the bottom of the camera preview, we have these parameters that we can use in order to adjust our photo. And let me quickly try to explain these parameters. So of course, over here at first we have AF, which is automatic focus, and it can be set to manual as long as you try to adjust it by yourself. And the smaller the value is over here, the closer it is to the left side, and the more it will focus on small subjects. So this is more for macro photos. And also we can move all the way to the right in order to, for example, increase the sharpness and focus on everything that is on the photo, so that there will be no, for example, blur on the background. And of course move all the way to the left in order to set it to automatic. WB is the white balance, which adjusts the color temperatures, so white colors look white and colors look natural in general. And of course over here we can set it to automatic as well, but we can also move left and right in order to apply different white balance. Then we have the shutter speed, which indicates or decides actually how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion, and fast speeds freeze action. Then we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions, but too high ISO can add grain or noise to our photos. And there is the exposure, and exposure allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image. It is a quick way to pretty much make your photos lighter or darker, and this is the only parameter that cannot be set to automatic. It is fully manual. And that is pretty much it. Of course, in addition to that, we have like the aspect ratio, let's say the camera timer. We can also switch the format to RAW if you want to, but that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.